traders, I'm going to show you how I made 74 pips profit with price action using a simple structure break. It was that easy, guys, right? The trade was this. You can see this on the screen, guys. This was taken from the VIP Trading Academy. So August 7th, yeah, this was the trade. Buy US dollar Swiss franc, entry, stop loss, take profit. And as you can see, I hit target. Okay, so it was a successful trade, guys. So let's understand why it was successful, right? So US dollar Swiss franc, I always start with the day chart, as you know, right? And down here, guys, right, at this level, price is very oversold. Just look at where the moving average 20 is. It's so oversold, right? And price generally wants to, well, not generally, always comes back to the moving average 20 eventually, right? So we were oversold. And you could see we were starting to get in some bottom wicks down here, which tells us buyers are at this level. Okay, so that was the day chart. Then we dropped to the H4. And if we go back in time, guys, right? Let's go back here. All I'm looking for is a break of H4 structure. So as price comes down, right, it creates a new lower high, right? And this is the lower high. As soon as this breaks and price goes above the moving average 20, I am interested in this trade. Yeah, I want to buy it, but only till then. Only when that scenario happens, I'm interested in buying. Okay, so if we play this along, guys, you can clearly see, right, we get the structure break. We get a nice big bullish candle that breaks this high. We have now had a structure break, and therefore we are in an uptrend. We are getting higher lows, higher highs at this point, and we're above the moving average 20. Okay, and then all I said to myself, guys, is I will wait for a retrace, yeah, back towards this grey zone. Okay, and I actually got in at 8561. So entered literally at the bottom of this grey zone as price retraced. And then my target was 8635. Yeah, because that gave me 1:1 because I put my stop loss below here. And I just about got 1:1. I closed 80% at that level. And then when price got to 8650, I closed the remaining 20% because we're against daily trend. And that was the trade. So let's see it play out. So bang, take, and there you go. It all happened very quickly, guys, right? Come back down, bought in here, stop loss here, first target, 8635, got my 1:1, and then closed the remaining of the trade at 8650, right? Nice. Simple price action using a structure break, right? Learn price action, guys, okay? It just helps you understand, read the charts. Now, I had a very good question yesterday, right? So if we look where we are now, if we just go back to real time, I'm going to come out of this replay bar. Now, this becomes, in terms of price action, what was once resistance, when it breaks, yeah, what was once resistance, when it breaks and retests, becomes very good support. And you can see we've got this channel here as well, right? This trend line. So this is a very nice area for buying, okay? However, right, if we go to the day chart, this is in a downtrend. Okay, so I'm a little bit reluctant to carry on buying this trade. However, this is a very bullish candle. But you have to be aware of that, guys. We are going against daily trend with this trade. All right, so yeah, please let me know what you think of this trade, guys, in the live comments. Let us know which trades you took and which trades you are looking at today, guys. Yeah, we can even look at some of the trades in the live stream later today. Now, stay tuned, guys, because I'm going to show you all of my trade ideas for today. But Before I do, let me just mention our trading community. If you haven't joined it yet, guys, please come join our free Discord channel. You can speak to traders, share knowledge, ideas, have a chit chat. Come join it. If you would like more than that and you would like access to my trade signals, like the US dollar Swiss franc, you would like access to my strategies and tutorials and direct access to me, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers at the moment, you can get access to the VIP Trading Academy as well. All right, so check it all out. It's all in the video description. And don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Right. My trade idea for today is Euro Canadian dollar. Right, we're going to start with the weekly chart. We're going to start with the weekly chart because I wanted to show you this weekly candle, right? This big green bullish weekly candle that broke these highs, right? It broke this resistance level, right? With a big bullish candle. You can clearly see that, guys. Now, I am fully aware that we're getting a very bearish reaction, right, on the weekly chart, but please bear in mind this hasn't finished forming yet. We've still got all today to trade and tomorrow, right? But for now, this is clearly in a weekly uptrend, and it broke this resistance level. Okay. Now, if we drop down to the day chart, this supports our buy idea, right? So you can clearly see on the EuroCAD day chart, we're in an uptrend. Yeah, we're getting higher lows and we're getting higher highs, clearly in an uptrend. And we've just retraced into an interesting area here. We've got some, support here, and we've got the moving average 20 coming in here as well. All right, so this is an interesting level, and it represents very good value because we have so much room to move into. So dailies always gives me my direction, and then I'm going to go down to the H4, even the H1 to look for my setups, right? And I'm just looking for levels that I can trade from. And this is the level through here, right? You can see on the H4, it's become good resistance here. And if we look at the H1, you can really see this, guys, right? If you look at the H1, yeah, look how price has been obeying this level, right? It was once support, then it's resistance, and then resistance once again. Yeah, this grey zone through here, the zone within a zone. Yeah, and all I'm looking for, guys, is a break, right? If we get a break through this level, we get a break, right? Maybe a retest. Yeah, we can start buying at this level and take price higher. I would probably aim for this 5100 level, the first big psychological level. And this would be my first target, guys, right in here. So Euro Canadian dollar, we're looking to buy this pair. That's really only my trade idea for today, guys. But take a look at this, right? Because, like I said, trades like US dollar Swiss franc, right? We're still in a downtrend, but we're still a little bit oversold and we're seeing bullish candles. So I'm keeping an eye on these oversold areas, right? And these flight to safety pairs. So US dollar Swiss franc, I would consider buying. New Zealand yen, right? I would consider buying. It still has a bit of room. Canadian dollar yen. These are my favorite pairs out of all the overbought pairs. Right, CAD yen, I would consider buying, and US dollar yen as well. Okay, so we're going to keep an eye on these, see if we can take these against trend and move a little higher. The problem with them, if we look at the H4, well, not the problem, but, we've clearly had this nice H4 break, right? But I would have started trading in here, and look how much it's moved already. Right, that's 100 pips. right? It's moved 100 pips already. So maybe we're a little late to the party with these overbought pairs, but I'm going to keep my eye on them. And like I say, if I do take a trade, I will put them in the VIP Trading Academy. All right, guys. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed the vid. Please don't forget to join us for the live stream today. Please subscribe and smash that like button, guys, if you've enjoyed the vid. And I'll see you later.